Kanraona kwa viangana na chinanji. Kanraona uhetolu na bono Nakovacake. Lele nimbo hevisi. Kanraona lumusini kalau. The Asian Development Bank Regional Managing Director is Azusa Sato. The Minister for Public Works, Transport and ARUP Services, Honorable Viliame Gavoka, the CEO of Fiji National Provident Fund, Mr. Viliame Gavoka, Chairman of the Nakovacake Development Trust, Brigadier General Monoangandai, his traditional elders and members of the Vanua, the young one and below, development partners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Dolavina, and a very good afternoon to you all. Before I begin, I wish to acknowledge the owners of the land on which we gather this afternoon. Navanua Nanji, Owen-Edmunds, Naviangwana Chinanji. Nawetolu, Tanrahon, Nakiaviangwane, Nakitoke. We offer our blessings to the leaders, past, present, and emerging. It is a privilege to join you today for the official launch of the Nasaulevu Integrated Tourism Development Masterplan. This occasion marks an important milestone for the Vanua of Nakovacake and for every institution and partner that has contributed to this initiative. It is also a significant step towards unlocking the potential of Nasaulevu Island through a development approach that brings together landowner leadership, institutional investments, international expertise, and sustainable tourism planning. Nasaulevu comprises approximately 747 acres and is located strategically opposite the General Port Marina and near Fantasy Island, within one of Fiji's most established tourism corridors. Its location presents considerable tourism and investment potential. However, the true significance of this master plan extends beyond the size and location of the land. It lies in the development model that has been created. Ladies and gentlemen, the master plan places the Vanua of Nakovacake at the center of the planning and development process. It recognizes the landowners not only as owners of the land, but as active partners in decision-making, governance, economic participation, and long-term stewardship. This is an important development principle. Landowners must have the opportunity to participate meaningfully in developments taking place on their land and to benefit from the value those developments create. I commend Brigadier General Ngandai, the Nakovacake Development Trust, and the three of us of Nakovacake for the leadership and commitment that have brought this initiative to its current stage. Your approach has established a strong foundation for the future of Nasaulevu. The foundation has been further strengthened by the quality of the partnerships supporting this project. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in Fiji, an internationally recognized consultancy firm, ARUP, has worked alongside the Fiji National Provident Fund and Vanua-based landowner organization to prepare a tourism master plan of this scale. This partnership combines local ownership, national investment capacity, international technical expertise, and development support. It demonstrates the value of bringing the right partners together from the beginning of a major project. To the Asian Development Bank, I extend a sincere appreciation of the government of Fiji, a financial contribution of some $400,000 equivalent to Fijian dollars 1.2 million, made the preparation of the master plan possible. This support has enabled the project partners to undertake detailed planning and establish a clear development direction before major investment decisions are made. This is critical for a project of this nature. Major tourism developments require sound planning, clear governance, infrastructure coordination, environmental safeguards, and a credible investment framework. The master plan provides that starting point. With the Fiji National Provident Fund, your involvement reflects the important role that national institutions can play in supporting long-term economic development. FNPF represents the savings and hard work of the people of Fiji. Its participation in a project of this nature has the potential to generate value for its members, while also supporting investment, employment, and community development. This partnership also positions Nasaulevu strongly within Fiji's wider national tourism priorities. Ladies and gentlemen, the government is encouraged by the strong alignment between the Nasaulevu Master Plan and the National Sustainable Tourism Framework 2024 to 2034. The framework calls for a prosperous visitor economy, thriving and inclusive communities, visible and valued cultures, and healthy islands and oceans. The Nasaulevu project reflects these priorities. It seeks to attract quality investment and expand Fiji's tourism offering, while also protecting cultural heritage, sacred and historical sites, traditional knowledge, and the identity of the Vanua. This is particularly important as global tourism continues to change. Visitors are increasingly seeking destinations that provide authentic cultural experiences, environmental responsibility, and meaningful engagement with the local communities. Fiji is well positioned to respond to that demand. However, our culture must be integrated into the planning, design, and management of tourism developments from the beginning. It must not be treated as an additional feature after development has already taken place. Nasaulevu has the potential to demonstrate how cultural integrity and commercial development can be successfully advanced together. That potential must also translate into tangible opportunities for our people. Ladies and gentlemen, a development of this scale creates direct employment in construction, hospitality, tourism operations, administration, and management. It can also create opportunities for farmers, fishers, transport operators, artisans, cultural performers, tour operators, and small businesses. These wider economic linkages are essential. The success of tourism should not be measured only by visitor arrivals, room numbers, or investment value. It must also be measured by the opportunities created for ordinary Fijians and by the extent to which local communities participate in the tourism economy. The Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation is committed to increasing local participation in tourism. We want more Fijians to move into management, into ownership, investment, and entrepreneurship. For this reason, skills development must progress alongside the physical development of Nasaulevu. The people of Namotomoto and Nawawi, particularly the young generation, should be prepared to take advantage of the employment and business opportunities that may emerge. This preparation must begin well before the development becomes operational. While the opportunities are significant, the achievement will depend on the quality of implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, a master plan is an important foundation, but its value will ultimately be determined by how effectively it is implemented. The next stage will require strong governance, disciplined project management, and continued engagement with the landowning communities. The project partners will need to maintain transparent decision-making, clear governance arrangements, and close coordination with relevant government agencies. Infrastructure, environmental approvals, land use planning, utilities, transport and investment facilitations will all require careful attention. The Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation stands ready to work with the relevant partners and project partners as this initiative progresses. At the same time, future investments and development decisions must remain consistent with the principles and objectives contained in the master plan. The integrity of the regional vision must be protected as the project moves from planning to implementation. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to speak frankly to my colleagues here in Nagodi. The master plan is an important asset. It sets out a vision for the future use and development of your land. I encourage you to remain actively engaged, to understand the direction proposed, and to ensure that future partnerships continue to reflect the collective interests of the Vanua. The strength of this project will depend on unity within the Vanua, clarity in decision making, and mutual accountability among all partners. Today's launch should therefore be seen not as a conclusion of a process, but as the beginning of a new and more demanding phase. The focus must now move towards investment readiness, implementation planning, and a clear pathway from concept to construction and operation. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Nasaulevu has the potential to become an important decision to Fiji's tourism portfolio. More importantly, it has the potential to become a national model for landowner-led tourism development. It can demonstrate that investment, cultural protection, community participation, and commercial success can be pursued together. I congratulate the Nakovacake Development Trust and the Azusa of Nakovacake, the Fiji National Provident Fund, the Asian Development Bank, ARUP, and everyone who contributed to the preparation of this master plan. It is therefore my honor to join the regional director to officially launch the Nasaulevu Integrated Tourism Development Master Plan. The government looks forward to working with our partners as this important initiative moves forward. God bless you and God bless you.
Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Tourism and Civil Aviation, Honorable Viliame Gavoka, Honorable Minister for Public Works, Meteorological Services and Farming, Honorable Nakovacake, Acting High Commissioner of British High Commission, the three chiefs of the Vanua, Nakovacake, Chairman and representatives of the Nakovacake Development Trust, Chief Executive Officer, Chief Investment Officer, and representatives of the Fiji National Provident Fund, representatives of the Government of Fiji, representatives of the Asian Development Bank and ARUP, members of the Vanua Nakovacake, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Vinaka. It is a privilege to be here today in Nakovacake village for the official handover of the Nasaulevu Integrated Tourism Master Plan. On behalf of the Asian Development Bank, I extend our sincere appreciation to the Vanua Nakovacake Development Trust, Fiji National Provident Fund, the Government of Fiji, and all partners who have contributed to this important work. Today marks the successful achievement of a significant milestone. It is also a moment to recognize the partnership, trust and shared commitment that have brought this work to this stage. The master plan was prepared with technical assistance from ADB, financed through the Urban Resilience Trust, with funding support from the Government of the United Kingdom. I would like to acknowledge this important support, which has made possible the preparation of a forward-looking master plan for one of Fiji's most significant coastal and estuarine sites. Nasaulevu is one of Fiji's large last large undeveloped waterfront areas within the Nandi Denarau tourism hub. It is a place of strong natural, cultural and economic potential, but also requires careful planning so that mangroves, waterways, coastal systems, customary interests and infrastructure needs are considered together. The Masterplan provides a long-term vision for Nasaulevu as a people-first, nature-led, culturally grounded and climate-resilient destination. This is consistent with ADB's Strategy 2030, which supports a prosperous, inclusive, resilient and sustainable Asia and the Pacific, and aligns with ADB's focus on climate resilience, sustainable infrastructure, private sector development, and stronger partnerships across the region. This master plan reflects two essential ingredients for success: a community-driven and community-led approach, and a strong, experienced partner to help turn that vision into reality. The partnership between Nakovacake Development Trust and Fiji National Provident Fund, formalized through the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding in 2024, demonstrated strong leadership. Since the beginning, they have actively progressed the work in collaboration with ADB, government agencies, technical partners and community representatives, building a strong foundation for the sustainable development of Nasaulevu. Through this collaborative process, the master plan has been shaped by community priorities, government guidance and technical input from the Joint Technical Working Group. Community consultations emphasize the protection of mangroves and cultural sites, support for women and youth, skills development, local livelihood opportunities, transparent governance, and benefit sharing, while government agencies provide an important guidance on land use, infrastructure, environmental requirements, planning approvals, and coordination needs. As a result, the master plan is more than a land use concept. It is a practical, evidence-based platform for future action, identifying distinct development zones, supporting a phased and infrastructure-led approach, and providing a basis for responsible investment, tourism facilities, community benefits, environmental and social management, and possible public-private collaboration. I acknowledge ARUP for translating community aspirations, market analysis, environmental considerations, and planning inputs into a practical framework. I also acknowledge the leadership of the Vanua, Nakovacake, and NDT and FNPF's partnership in supporting structured discussion on long-term development potential and future investment considerations. As we hand over the final master plan today, we mark the completion of important ADB-supported technical assistance. The next steps will require continued leadership by the implementing agencies, NDT and FNPF, working with the relevant regulatory authorities, government, and partners. In closing, ADB sincerely thanks the Vanua, Nakovacake, NDT, FNPF, the Government of Fiji, United Kingdom High Commission, ARUP, all stakeholders and the ADB project team for their dedication and professionalism. May this master plan support a future for Nasaulevu that is resilient, inclusive, sustainable and grounded in the identity and strength of its people. Nakovacake.
Thank you. My name is Matthew. I work for an international engineering company called ARUP. We also do design, and we worked on this project with ADB, Asian Development Bank, to deliver this project for community Nakovacake. And this project started for us about a bit more than half a year ago, looking for a sustainable way to grow tourism while supporting the community in this project. And one of the main things to solve in this question is because this piece of land is so important, located so strategically, but in the same time ecologically so important, also historically and culturally so important, is to make sure that each of those elements are embedded in that project. So we worked really closely together with ADB, with FNPF, with the sponsors behind ADB as well, and of course with the community, hearing their experiences there, intense their long-term views on how the community can be involved in a project like this and incorporate each of those aspects within a spatial plan. And we didn't do that from a supply-led perspective. No, we looked at it from a demand-led. So we analyzed very carefully the different opportunities, economic opportunities that there are for a project of this nature. What would be different and what would attract people to come here from overseas, and in the same time benefit Fijian culture and Fijians and the community Nakovacake. And each of those elements combined deliver this master plan, which is very focused on looking at resilience, looking at preservation of ecological values, looking at cultural values as a center point of the project, and its heritage, its national heritage. And that makes this site very special. And that creates an opportunity for development, which is still quite a while away, but it's coming closer and closer with this master plan. That sets the tone and the direction of where this project can go.
All right. I'm Libby Owen-Edmunds, and I am the Senior Tourism Specialist for ARUP on the Integrated Tourism Master Plan for Nasaulevu. And one of the really fantastic things about this master plan is that it's Fiji's first demand-driven rather than design-driven master plans for tourism. So what we mean by that is that we're looking at what is future demand in terms of airline capacity, people wanting to fly and come to Fiji. And that's really, really important when you're master planning, that you look at the future of demand 5, 10, 15, 20 years out, rather than just thinking about supply and all the assets, wonderful assets that Fiji has. So that's a real key point of difference for this Nasaulevu Integrated Tourism Master Plan, is that it's demand driven and probably one of the first in Fiji.